Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to deactivate users in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to go to our setup so we can find all our users. We click here in the setup and after that in the quick find, we check or we need to search for users. So here we will find all our users. You can find the permissions, sets, and the groups, profile, etc. We click on users, and here you will find the list of all your users. And basically, as you can see, we can find our checkbox for our activity or user activity. So this is a system admin. We can start a new user. For example, uh, we need just to add these informations d and we give it just some alias so we can just have in some thing here. We give it none, the license, the role, nothing specified, and let's just save, and it should be something uh, valid. We add it here, we give it so let's make it like that, d1, and we give it this form. We click on save, and basically we need just to have a profile and a user. So after that you will need just to click on edit on this user, and basically if it doesn't have any problems or any some conflicts with the permissions, you will be able to deactivate it by just unchecking this checkbox. So here in the active you will need just to uncheck the checkbox and it will become deactivated. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.